Hey guys, it's Johnny with RV SWAT, and today we're going to be installing a new lock on the RV, so stick around. Alright guys, we're going to open it up, see what's all in the box. This is a keyless entry RV lock. And this was sent to us by the manufacturer for us to check out, so let's see what all comes in the box. Got 2 screwdrivers. Ooh, it's heavy, I can tell you that. It's solid. Don't know what that is yet. Oh, that's the cover here. We'll see how all this goes together in a little bit. Now, I did do some reading on it. It's made out of zinc alloy is the material it's made out of. And if you could feel it, it's a pretty sturdy lock. It comes with the keys and the key fob. So we have remote entry through the key fob. We have the keypad entry, or you can go with the keys, either way. All right, I will tell you, this lock, unfortunately, will not work on our RV because the locking mechanism, the latch on our RV looks like this. And this one will not work in that situation. But we do have a friend that actually needs a new lock. All right, so we are at our friend's house. We're gonna get the lock installed. And I just wanna check and see, we're looking for about 2 3/4 by 3 1/2. So the opening in his door has to be at least 2 3/4 by 3 1/2. So we're gonna get his lock taken out and we're gonna measure the hole and see if this one will fit. Okay. All right, so we have his lock out and his opening is almost 3 by 3 3/4. So theoretically, that lock should fit right in here. So let's see what happens. What you can do while you're getting this installed is make sure this switch is in the off position. And we're going to make sure this is unplugged. This is what powers from the battery to this device. So unplug this, make sure the switch is off. And before I get it installed, you'll see there's a code reset with this little hole here. And there's a fob learn, this little hole. So what happens is on your keypad here, if you forget your 4-digit pin from the inside, you can stick a paper clip in here and hit the code reset, and it's going to factory reset it back to the 1 2 3 4 code, and then you can reprogram to whatever you want. And your fob learn is for your key fob. You can hold this button down until it beeps, and then you can hit the lock button on your key fob and it'll pair the key fob to this lock, which is already done, so we won't have to do that. So let's get this in place and see if it fits. So this is your interior. So actually, let me put this one first. So this should go in here. This will have to go. So we got this in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and plug in the power. Like that, and you hear a beep. And then which way does this go? Like this, right? In this bottom corner. Right here. All right, all the screws in and tight, everything's working. That's good. So we'll just get the strike plates installed and we should be good to go.
Yep.
All right. All right, so we got the plate on. Let's make sure everything's still everything's still locked. So let's try the, hold down the lock. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, unlock. All right, let's grab the key fob.
Unlock your house, Phil.
Hit the lock.
Lock?
Lock. There we go. All right, unlock. All right, so now let's try it like this. Lock it. It's locked. Unlock. There you go.
Okay.
All right. So again, we're currently working on a Montana high country, and it was a 10-minute swap. I mean, everything lined up perfectly on this one. We did try it at our house that we showed you, wouldn't work there. We tried it at another friend of ours, wouldn't work there. So you just need to make sure what type of lock system you had to make sure that this one will work. But if you're interested in this lock, check out the description of this video. I'll have a link to it on Amazon, and stick around and we'll show you how to change the codes and program everything. All right, so the factory set is 1234 is the factory code. We're gonna change it to 5678. So to change it, you hit the 8 and the lock button, and then you put in the original code, which is 1234 lock. And we're gonna change it to 5678. Hit the lock and confirm it. 5678. Hit the lock. You hit the lock again, and you hear it beep 3 times, and you know it's set. So now the new code to lock it should be 5678 lock. Locks. 5678 unlock. There you go. The key fob is already programmed and set to lock and unlock from the factory, but if it isn't, you'll see here if I hit lock, hold down lock, it locks, hold down the unlock, and it opens. If it wasn't set for some reason, again, this fob learn right here, you get your paper clip, push the button inside of there, you hear the beep and it's programming, and then you hit the lock button on your key fob and it'll pair to the lock. And then if you forget your code for some reason, if you ever forget your code, you just unlock it with the key, and then you can hold down this code reset button, and that's going to put it back to the factory default of 1234. Then you can go through the programming again. All right, we got it installed. It wasn't too bad. Like I said, it fit well on this one. This is a Montana high country. Make sure you check, make sure it's going to fit on yours before you purchase it. But if you're interested in this lock, look in the description of the video. I will put an Amazon link. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.